The Axis 16-liter RoadWarrior backpack is designed to be a jack-of-all-trades kind of bag, something you might seriously carry almost every day of the year, and possibly the best all-purpose travel companion Tenba has ever made in over 40 years of making bags. And I know, that's a very bold statement, but in our experience, photographers and filmmakers are more likely to carry a 16-inch laptop than other professionals, more likely to also have an iPad Pro, to have a broad assortment of cables, batteries, and adapters, all of which need to be well organized. Photographers' needs tend to be more specific and more mission critical, so let's get into it. The top 3 biggest features for the Axis RoadWarrior are the full-featured briefcase/organize your life capability, the versatile and removable BYOB camera insert, and the hidden Bluetooth tracker pocket for AirTag and Tile. Whatever you need a pocket for, this bag has one. Passport and wallet, water bottle, laptop up to 16 inches, small camera kit or 2 days worth of clothes, 12-inch iPad Pro, documents and a notebook, business cards, sunglasses, chapstick and medicine, pens, earbuds, wet wipes, and there are still 2 more pockets to go. I've literally flown 1,000,000 miles with some version of this bag, and we've refined the design continuously over the last 15 years. This is the best one we've ever made. Sometimes you need to travel with a small camera kit, and sometimes you don't. And sometimes you need to carry the camera kit away from the backpack. The BYOB insert allows you to do all of this. Pack a mirrorless camera with 2 to 3 lenses when you need it, quickly remove it when you don't need it, and attach the shoulder strap when you need to carry it separately. Plus, you can use this BYOB insert in any of the other bags you own, like trekking backpacks, messenger bags, women's handbags, luggage, and more. If there was ever a bag you wanted to track above all others, it might be the one you have your life organized inside of. Hidden inside this interior zipper pocket is the neoprene sleeve that securely fits an AirTag or Tile Bluetooth tracker, so you can always find your camera bag. Now for a quick hit on the rest of the features. The passport and wallet pocket I mentioned earlier, well, you can retrieve both these things without ever taking the bag off. Would I keep my passport there while walking through Times Square in New York City? No, I might move it inside the bag for that time. But when you're at airport security or Customs and Border Patrol or hotel check-in after a 16-hour flight, you'll have your passport in 2 seconds while you see someone nearby panic searching their luggage for the secret hidden passport pocket they can't locate. This harness is really comfortable. Like, carry this bag for 8 straight hours each day of a 4-day trade show comfortable. It has Tenba's exclusive pivot fit straps, which auto-adjust to fit different shoulder and body types. Plus, there's a trolley strap to piggyback it onto your luggage through the airport. What about all that Molle? As with our other Axis bags, these Molle straps will allow you to attach card wallets and battery pouches to the outside, plus you can add any one of thousands of pouches available at military surplus stores. And Tenba's Molle webbing has a subtle reflective thread running through it, so even though the bag is stealthy, you'll be safe if you're wearing it while riding a bike or walking on the street at night. Finally, this handle is a real standout. You're far more likely to carry a briefcase travel bag with the top handle than a heavy camera bag, so we wanted to make sure it was a handle worth grabbing. This one is heavily padded and it has a layer of waterproof leather underneath for a secure, non-slip grip. Oh, and one more thing. This thing slides so perfectly under the seat of an airplane that you'll probably say to yourself, I bet they designed this bag to fit exactly in this space. The Axis RoadWarrior is available in 2 fabrics and colorways. First, in the black, we've got Tenba's Helix all-weather nylon, which is super water and abrasion resistant. And second, in the camo, we've got the military-grade multicam black, which is a unique camouflage with gradients and darker tones. Both fabrics are coated for water repellency, but when the wet weather hits, just pull out the rain cover to give the pack an extra layer of protection. The weather wrap is silver on one side to reflect the sun on hot days, and black on the other side when you need to blend in. If you're at all like me, then every year you promise yourself that you'll be more organized. This bag is designed to help you do it, with a place for everything, so everything is always in its place. This is the Tenba RoadWarrior.